Anna, analyst, Anna, analyst, Oh, go, they come here. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This one, you see. So, na Naija Daughter. Na Naija Daughter sit down. So, after I don't fit film. No, no, they mind me. Oh. Me, I not there for shirt. So, any shirt. If you see this shirt for 4 video, 10 video, I bet take me for who I am. This is how I am. This is how I am. This is how I am. Yes, I sit down. I want to sit down and talk. I want to analyze. Her name na Sandra reality show. Yes. And this my sister. I watch her. Anna Lixie. I be how not they talk. How not they with my sister Vicky Connor. See, sister. Oh yeah, you know. And they never notice my YouTube. No, but when you know her, you will see your picture back. Yes, sis, I watched your video and I watched the other of our sister Sandra reality video and I watched your video. You know, everybody, they are free to drop their opinion. Yes. Now, my opinion, I want to drop for here. For that, my sister Sandra reality, she talk about, say, someone DM her, someone write on Instagram, telling her, say, why she leave her husband house to go stay for village. Me, myself, on the comment section, I drop comment section, I drop her a comment, say, this is the one reason I like her. How she carry her parents, how she respects her parents. I don't know what they do for behind though, but the one why they see for camera, how she always respect her mom, try to cater for them. If you know where this our lady for start from the beginning, you see the family, how they did before, you understand? And you see her now, you know, say this our lady, she
like you said, if that's the reason why you have to unsubscribe from this channel, please do that as soon as possible. Please unsubscribe instead of coming to, cause me pains, because that's your message actually hurt me. From the way I responded to you, you will know that it actually felt like I felt pains. I don't owe anybody this explanation, right? But because I kept on removing so many comments, even from my recent videos, when I drop a video, people will be like, oh, are you still in the village? What are you still doing in the village? Your mom is stronger now. What are you still doing there? You don't live here. You are not here. You don't know what is going on. Can you please allow people to be? I don't know how else to say it. The next thing now, they will say Sandra has said. But this is me, people will understand. See people, their parents die at 90s, 100 even, they still cry. So why will I not take care of my young mother, whom out of so much suffering got herself injured? Yes, she got herself injured as a result of trying to cater for us, even in our old age.
She know they use her parents, they play. Why I want chook mouth for this matter be say, every parents and all house not be the same. I use myself to make example. I remember when I tell my mom, say, mom and dad, me una live village. Then my mom and my dad, they stay village. My mom say no. My dad say no, you know, live village. Then my mom refused to leave village. You understand? Okay, why they talk this matter? Because Sandra reality, she make a video talk about her mom. They sick, then she need to go. Not all daughter, not all guests go do one. Not everybody go do one. Do you understand? Let's give kudos to those people who will feed do one. Because like somebody like me, I believe say if I did Nigeria, that thing when Sandra do, so I will do the same thing. I will go spend time with my mom. Yes, now my mom. Now my mother. You understand? As you said, she to go village. He even supposed to show us those who like parents, who like mother, everything, your job, you husband, then face your family, or face your husband. No. As far as her husband understand, you understand? And she even talk, say, she get wetin she they do. Not everything she go bring comment. She even still talking for her video. Say her mom to get up. Say, no be everything she they bring. And we YouTuber, we know say, it's wetin we just want. Now wetin we want, now we they bring comment. Not everything we they bring out. Now wetin you just decide, now you go bring out. You understand? For me, for her to go stay with her mom, for me, oh, I like her. I will love her. I will like her more because me, I love my mom. You understand? Not everybody go do one. If you will take a help for her mother, you understand? For example, as you talk, my sister, now you talk to, so you say, make she take help for her mother. If you will take help, if you do one for her mother, the way when she go do one. If, for example, you take care for her mother, say, okay, go help my mother out. But that help no fit do one. And if you say, why she not carry her mother come her side. You know, say her mother, maybe, they comfortable as you, they comfortable for your house. Her mother no fit leave her husband. You know, say our all those our old mothers. I know some people can say, and Sandra will can't leave her husband.
It's a simple matter. I've been hearing other content creators talking about it. That a commenter, that's a subscriber, told her that what's the need for her to be in her mother's place because her mother is sick. That is, you left the city, left your husband to come and stay with your mom because she's sick. Okay, guys, now I know that, okay, the commenter or whatever shouldn't have said, that kind of thing. So the thing is, it's a simple thing, as I said. It's a very simple thing because to me, if a mother was sick, it's a simple thing. Take your mom to your house, okay? You don't live with your mom. Guys, I'm sorry if you're seeing certain things in the background. I'm actually, she should take her mom to her house and take care of the mom. Except it's not true.
Those two people when they talk about, so they be parents, they be her parents. Now her husband be that. Her husband still young. Her husband go still fit do a lot of things to himself. That's Sandra reality. So her father don't old. Her father don't old. Her mother don't old. You understand? They know like now because I experience why I get. Now they talk. Now when I lost my dad, 2013, now my mom feel muse. Yes. I understand those kind of mother. We supposed to appreciate her. For me, I really appreciate her. I tell her, say, now one of the things when make me like you. Say she always take care of her parents. She always look after her parents. She always do a lot of things. If you look their families, you know say, this our sister, she really try for her family. If you start her from the beginning, they watch her. You understand, my sister? For me, I give kudos to her. She try to even take her time. Go spend time with her parents. We dey Europe or we dey America or we dey Lagos. You obviously travel, go spend time with your family. For her to take her mother, her sick mother. Now, when her mother don't get husband, that's why I say her mother, she still get husband. And she get father. Her father still dead. Her father and her mother, they together. You know if it happen. If her mother will travel, now her mother will say, I want to go do those some move, I want to go stay time. My daughter don't put to bed. You know, will still stay. Because you always think of your husband. They don't old. You understand? For me, nothing they there. Okay? As she said, she go look after her mom, my beautiful lady. Keep it up. Okay? As you take care of your mom, as you dey do as you dey talk, now so your children still take care of you. Money not be everything. Some people get money. They just need their children love, the lack of it. I love those who show their mom love. You understand? As you take your time, take your family, take your handsome children, may they go spend time with your family. If person even look where you they stay and look your parents' house, you go prefer to day your own house. But just because of the love of mother, the love of parents, you don't care. You go there because now there you for start life. No matter where you come there to, if you would they march, if you would they gold house, you start from there. Now they give birth to you. Keep it up. Okay? I'm not talking to me, you know me. I'm not talking to me, you know. But I love those who take care of their parents, who stand by their parents, who stand by their siblings. You don't go to school, but you know, last born, day school now. If not be God first, but if not be you, not be all people, all girls, all brothers go do what you do. Let's give her clap. If she dey fuck up for another part, okay, we fit still tell her. For me, if I still say, because before I don't get this channel, now I don't get this channel. Analyst. Analyst, Oh, go they come here, woto. Who do one well? But for this one, Sandra, our lady, she do one well, okay? She do one well. I'm happy God will bless her. I believe all the mother spirits, all the father spirits, they will pray for her. They will bless her, okay? Her husband understand. Me, I not think any. Her husband understand. Anything when she they do for the village, I pray make God let her walk well. Sis, go on. Okay? God is your strength. I'll see you in my next video. This is a Naija daughter. Naija daughter. Naija daughter don't show. Naija Daughter TV. Yes, so daughter of Naija, daughter of Africa, proudly Africa. Hey, I go dey give back to una no worry. Now don't see me na to edit. Where I go edit. See you na my next video. Our video a thumbs up. Drop your comment in the comment section. Wait till you think whether I talk bad or I talk good or my opinion you work. Oh, if una don't know this, my sister Vicky Corner, now go laugh. I go see follow her. I know you say me na follow Sandra. I don't already know her.